11 miles north of Gardendale.
Out there?
KJ4 LOH copy. We are
Is
keeping
that
an eye
way?
on
Yeah,
it,
Warrior's
and
that
we
way.
do have a breeze coming from the north heading south.
Which way is that?
That's probably a better reference. This is actually
We have a
US
breeze
31
coming from
right
the
here.
north?
They call it Decatur Highway, but it's US 31.
Right there. Where is Warrior?
Is it just north of here?
Okay, so look out that way.
Yeah. This is US 31. It runs straight into Warrior.
So almost in the same spot we first saw that other storm.
Yeah.
Confirmation?
Cloud lowering with rotation.
Station coming with their report, please. I need to cross streets one more time. Cloud with lowering wall.
You know this better than us, Wes.
I see what stuff looks like.
Affirmative. Cloud with lowering wall cloud with rotation at Hatch Mountain Road and Morris Majestic Road in the Silk Creek area.
Morris Majestic Road and what?
I wish I could give you that.
What was the cross?
I just know what stuff looks like.
You don't know your area around
Yeah.
here?
I know my area. I just don't know the name of the roads. I know what it looks like.
Forest Majestic.
Yeah.
What?
Let me get my GPS out here.
Yeah, ours ain't working.
That's actually between Gardendale and Warrior Morris.
They're talking Morris.
Yeah, that's about just north here as well.
We still got here.
I'm still looking at that over there too.
I'm going.
We need more help, y'all.
I wish our stuff was working. Weather service.
Well, they're calling the weather service.
Yeah.
Copy that.
Go ahead, station. I have just come from
Are we safe
the
here?
area where they're talking about that wall cloud has been spotted through heavy, heavy rain. I'm sitting in downtown traffic right
Rain
now
up.
with absolutely